Hello viewers, gallery photo share with Google Apps not showing. Here you can see Google app missing in gallery photo share. In this tutorial I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. First of all, go to settings, scroll down and find apps option. Now go to apps option. Now click on search bar and search Google. Now click on Google. From here you can see enable option, just click on enable. Now go back to home screen, restart your phone. Now open gallery app and try to share photos and see Google app showing now. In this way you can easily solve this problem. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.